The generative AI boom gave us articulate chatbots. You send a message, and a model predicts text to send back, but the interaction ends there. These models act as advisors that can suggest a plan, but they lack the ability to step onto a live website and execute it. They leave the user facing a wall of words, but no finished task. Most digital chores require a tool that can move. We need a system that navigates live websites and manages multi-step sequences across different platforms without human intervention. Project Jarvis, powered by Gemini Spark, is Google's entry into Agentic AI. It functions through 4 pillars: perception, reasoning, planning, and action. These systems work together to move the AI from simply talking about a goal to actually accomplishing it. Google is embedding this agentic capability directly into the software that already handles 180 billion AI-powered tasks a year: Google Chrome and Google Workspace. Placing this engine natively inside the browser changes the trajectory of Chrome. It is an attempt to transition the software toward a role where it manages the repetitive logistics of a user's digital life. To see how this works, consider a complex request, telling the agent to book a flight to Seattle and then buy a waterproof jacket for the trip. Jarvis approaches this through a large multimodal model. It doesn't rely on parsing the back-end code of a website. Instead, the model visually perceives the screen, interpreting the layout and buttons exactly as a human user would. The agent maps the page, overlaying bounding boxes and numerical tags on every button to create a coordinate map. This forms a continuous planning loop. The agent acts, observes the new state, and if it hits a pop-up, it recalculates a new path. This native integration also allows the agent to use your saved passwords and direct logins. It bypasses the friction of account-gated steps by securely pulling credentials from the browser itself. This constant feedback loop of acting, observing, and correcting is what separates a static text generator from a functioning agent. However, a browser acting on your behalf is a major security target. Indirect prompt injection allows hidden text to hijack the agent. To defend against this, Origin sets fence off the agent to only relevant websites. Finally, the user alignment critic double-checks actions, blocking any move that deviates from your goal. For high-stakes moments, the agent uses a human-in-the-loop failsafe. It is hard-coded to pause and wait for your physical confirmation before it finalizes a financial transaction or sends a private message. The speed of an autonomous agent is only useful if it is contained by a zero-trust, layered architecture. This was the Google homepage in 2004. For 20 years, browsing has been a manual process of managing tabs and searching for data. We are now entering an era where decentralized AI agents perform that manual labor for us. While other companies focus on raw reasoning models, Google is betting on the depth of its existing platform. Google's advantage lies in its physical data infrastructure and its native execution environment. By combining real-time grounding from Google Search with the control layers of Chrome, they have built an agent that doesn't just know the internet, it operates it. To manage these long-term tasks, Jarvis utilizes a 2 million token context window. This massive memory allows the agent to retain details across multiple web sessions, which is mandatory for finishing complex, multi-day projects. The primary purpose of the browser is shifting. It is no longer just a tool for retrieving information, it is a tool for executing work. The web browser has become an autonomous machine that operates the internet for you.